Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382. Today we have a 2011 Holden VE Commodore SV6 Ute, stock reference number 3900. This shape runs from the 8th month 2006 through to the 4th month 2013. It has an LFX 3.6 litre V6 petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual rear-wheel drive transmission. LFX 3.6 litre V6 petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. It's fitted with factory 18-inch alloy mags, SV6 type, with a good tyre on the left front. Left power door mirror. Left door has one medium-sized dent. Left-hand side skirt. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left tail light does have a few light scratches. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Twin exhaust type. Tailgate's got a little bit of damage but still may be usable. Right hand tail light also has a few light scratches. Right hand 18-inch factory alloy SV6 alloy, good tyre. Right hand door appears has two small dents. Right sill skirt in good condition. Right guard appears to have no damage. And a right front 18-inch SV6 alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather center console lid. Manual type console. 6-speed manual gear shifter. Climate control dual zone. Heated controls. Factory sat nav unit. Interior mirror. Courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type. Left sun visor. Right sun visor. Instrument cluster. And a tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise, audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.